Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News for April 1st, 2016. April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and two organizations are making an effort to bring awareness to the issue. The Children's Advocacy Center, New Hope, and local dignitaries held an event this morning at City Hall. Marcia Szymanski of New Hope spoke with us about the presentation.
Good morning, I'm Marcia Szymanski. I'm the Executive Director of New Hope. Today, April 1st, is the start of Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and we are here at Attleboro City Hall to really kick off our awareness efforts. New Hope is collaborating with the Bristol County Child Advocacy Center. The Advocacy Center really works with young children who have been sexually assaulted, and they provide forensic questioning and examination of children, and then they refer the children to New Hope, and we provide the mental health counseling for children and also for the non-offending parents. New Hope's been working a lot around education and prevention, particularly in the last year and a half that I've been here, but we still have a lot of work to do. We know there are a lot of populations who don't utilize the criminal justice system, particularly people with intellectual disabilities, folks who are LBGT communities. Oftentimes communities of color are less likely to come forward to report a sexual assault, and we know that sexual assault is still one of the unreported crimes in the United States. It's a very hopeful sign that people are willing to speak about it. I think that it's a good thing because whenever you can bring something out of the shadows and cast some light on it, that's the beginning of prevention. That's the beginning of ending something, is first acknowledging it. As with any issue, the first thing you have to do is acknowledge that there's an issue. So for me, it's a very hopeful sign that people are talking about it, and I feel really good about it.
It'll be a good day when we can eradicate child abuse, particularly child sexual abuse or sexual assault. Everyone in Attleboro deserves to live free of violence, whether you're a child, a woman. So we raise awareness to the issue because awareness and education are the first steps to prevention. Hi, my name's Michelle Arandra. I'm the Executive Director of the Children's Advocacy Center of Bristol County. Being able to talk about child abuse, child sexual abuse in particular, is so very important towards our goal of prevention. This subject matter and the number of people that were here with us today in solidarity to raise awareness to the issue is really exciting, in that it's not a taboo subject anymore and that people are willing to address it towards the goal of eradicating it and preventing it. Our numbers are going up, and I'm not convinced that that's a great thing because that means there are more incidences of child abuse. I think the piece of good news from that is that children are talking about when people are harming them. In this fiscal year, the Children's Advocacy Center is on par to see more than 600 cases. But we also know that good education and awareness results in increased number of cases because of awareness, and that we're hoping in our prevention efforts that it will eventually see those numbers come down.
So we have a 24/7 hotline, and we encourage people to call. The number is 1-800-323-HOPE, which is 4673. So we encourage people, again, 24/7, 1-800-323-4673, or HOPE, the last four digits. We also have a website, www.new-hope.org, and we have information on that website. We encourage people to come forward to call. There's no judgment. You can just call. You don't have to give your name. You can just call if you want support, if you feel you need to develop a safety plan, if you feel you need to leave the area. We are very happy to have anyone call. We can certainly help you if you need help out there. There is help. I want folks to know you don't have to suffer alone. There is help. We do have caring, committed counselors that are willing to and happy to work with you. So please give us a call.
That's it for today's update. For DoubleACS News, I'm Austin Ricketts.